Good morning, everyone. I just wanted to talk more about our immune system. I know my video got cut off last week. After 30 years in practice, there are a lot of things I've learned from Chinese medicine and natural and holistic medicine to enhance our immune system. Since we don't have control of what might be coming at us, what we do have control over, somewhat control over, is what we do to buffer our immune system naturally. So last week we talked about increasing the air qi and the food qi, and through keeping the chemicals off of us, having clean, fresh air, exercising, and having whole, real, organic, low glycemic, high nutrient foods, which is basically the Mediterranean diet. So today I want to talk about some of the supplements that can be taken to help enhance our immune system, because herbs and supplements are the high nutrient content of what Mother Nature has given us to help our own body be healthy. So since we're trying to feed our healthy bacteria, and our body is made up of 90% bacteria and 10% cells, we can help ourselves out by taking some supplements. So a fish oil is one of the main things people take to help their immune system. Why? Because it decreases inflammation, and fat is a precursor to our anti-inflammatory or stress hormones and anti-inflammatory hormones that deal with inflammation. Whenever there's inflammation in the body, our immune system goes down. Our natural killer cells don't work as well. So it's so important to have more healthy fat in our diet, and that's what the Mediterranean diet has with its avocados, olive oil, fish, organic butter, ghee, coconut oil. All of those things are really important for a healthy diet. And when America started having low-fat, high-carb diet, Americans got very unhealthy. If I were to say what our biggest problem right now in the world is, it's obesity and inflammation. And when we're in an obese or overweight, inflamed state, our immune system just doesn't work as well. So losing weight by eating low glycemic whole real food with a healthy proportions of fat, carbohydrates, and protein with every meal is very important. Taking healthy fats, and then taking supplements. Cataplex C is something I take. It's from Standard Process. It's a food-based vitamin C. What a lot of people don't think of is that calcium is very important for our immune system, and it's the base that the immune cells work in, is a calcium base, and without good calcium, we don't have a good immune system. Having a good probiotic is very important, because most of our immune system is made in our gut. That's why drinking like a kombucha, a fermented apple cider vinegar, something like that, is very good for us. Pickles, things like that. I also take Immune Plex by Standard Process. I always take 2 to 4 turmeric a day, because it's been shown to be one of the #1 anti-inflammatories. And in Chinese medicine and Ayurvedic medicine, they have something called phlegm dampness, or agna, which is a dampness, and phlegm. Basically, it's inflammation. It's when your body's puffy. When you touch your skin, it gets red, even red face, rashes. It's all inflammation. So something like a turmeric can really help decrease inflammation. I personally eat khichdi soup every day. Khichdi soup, I wrote a book on it, The Amazing Healing Power of Khichdi. I have a Mediterranean khichdi recipe in there, which is a Balti curry khichdi, which is wonderful. I recommend that. The other thing is, the most important thing I think of is the mushrooms, like the shiitakes, the rishis. I love this one. It's an immune support system with many different kinds of mushrooms, lion's mane, maitake, a turkey tail. But the mushrooms are a very, very magical helper for us. They actually are their own species. They're between a plant and a human, is a mushroom. So I take these every day. I think they're very important. I take an adrenal tonic phytosynergistic. It has, it's liquid, which makes it get into the system better. And it has Rehmannia, ashwagandha, 2 types of echinacea, and licorice. And so echinacea is known to help the immune system, but the ashwagandha and the Rehmannia help the adrenal glands, which are very important for our natural immunity. So when you catch a virus, a cold, a flu, your anti-inflammatory from your adrenal glands, your cortisol needs to work. Your immune enhancing hormones need to work, and most of them do come from the gut and the adrenal glands. Also, taking an essential oil is very, very good. They have even some at Kaiser called Breathe. This isn't one of them, but getting essential oil and using it in a few drops in warm water with a towel over your head, breathing the water in and out is very, very good for your immune system. Or even just putting it under your nose, or having something that you smell throughout the day to keep your nasal passage open, along with a saline wash. One of the tricks with the saline wash, most people do the neti pot, and it only goes through each nostril, but you want to sniff the water back into your throat, gargle it, and spit it out, because you want to get that sea salt back on the adenoids in your throat to help your immune system. The other thing I take are Chinese herbs. This is called Polygonum 14, and it's to enhance your blood. It does also help your hair, your skin, etc. But I also take one called Imperial Tonic. So I take Imperial Tonic and I take Polygonum 14. And between all of that, I think it's a very good combination. Sometimes I take a packet. This one is called General Female Hormone Endocrine. But I also take one called just General Daily Health. And these are pre-made packets that have all food-based, so they're easy to digest. Your body actually does absorb them. The one that General Health I recommend for everyone, it's a food-based multivitamin, a fish oil, and trace minerals plus B12. So these are all wonderful products we can do, along with getting regular acupuncture during anytime you're feeling stressed, anytime you're feeling run down, just using it as a way to reestablish homeostasis in your body, so your healthy genes turn on and your immune system works again. I hope all that helps. I know we're all a little worried right now in the world, and I'm out to make a difference in helping us be as healthy as we can for whatever comes at us. Hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.